Hello viewers. Eze Ihenetu denies harboring Ebubeagu leader in Ghana. His Royal Majesty Ihenetu don't deny say suspected Ebubeagu leader they hide inside in house for Ghana. The Eze don't provoke onto the allegation say him will be Eze Igbo Ghana, Dr. Chukwudi Ihenetu, the harbor the leader of Ebubeagu inside in palace for Ghana. He said a lie from the pit of Okumu. He said nothing like that. Ihenetu don't say bulala. Beg Ndibo and other Niger people say the news na rumors. He say na enemies handwork onto make them scatter him throne and make do him Igbo Day New Yam Festival. Well, how they can go idea. Make we read am as it take yanam. He say, my brothers and sisters in diaspora, please, my enemies and enemies of Ndibo are at it again. They have come out again with fresh allegations that I harbor wanted leader of Ebubeagu in Imo in my palace in Ghana. This is never true. This is 100% lie. It is wrong information from enemies. Those who are against this throne that I am sitting on, those who fought me physically, spiritually, and in court and could not succeed. Every year they would come up with one propaganda or the other against the throne and against me as an individual. Last year they alleged that I worked with the federal government to arrest IPOB members. And this turned out to be false, whereas I was the one who facilitated the release of the young men. God vindicated me and their plans proved to be false. This year, they have come again with false allegations that I harbor Ebubeagu Commander in my home. My brothers and sisters, I don't even know Ebubeagu leader, nor have anything to do with them in Ghana. Recall that sometime last year, these evil men raised false allegations that I was the mastermind of the arrest of IPOB members in Ghana. All they wanted then was to scuttle the New Yam Festival. Today we are prepared for another New Yam Festival, Igbo Day. The evil people have gone to town again with falsehood. I am sure that this latest propaganda will also meet its Waterloo. I am using this medium to announce that on September 18, Ndibo in Ghana will celebrate the New Yam Festival and as well as empower the less privileged. The one I like now, that one, empower the less privileged. I don't understand this eating yam. There's so much importance on it. The one I picked that I'm so okay with, empowering the less privileged. Anyone to pan Egbo, when you want an azoisi onwe, IPOB declared Ebubeagu leader wanted. Mokene zo alekuzi. Onye wana jidista na azisi onwe. Anyway, we will go to reactions now. You see what people got to say about this story, and you add your own reaction on the comment section. And in Nelson wrote, I don't know why these people always find the fertile ground to parade themselves as Eze Igbo anywhere they find themselves across the world. It is a lie from the pit of hell and deceitful for anybody to attach such title to himself under any guise by anyone anywhere, because it doesn't exist. Why not answer chairman or the leader of Igbo communities in these areas or any other names for that matter? Well, go and ask Eze. Go and ask. I think there was a time Fashola banned Eze Igbo in Lagos. I don't know whether it still exists because the only problem I have with Eze Igbo anyway is that some of them have no respect for the men Igbo leaders that are by tradition Igbo leaders. They don't respect them. When they go to village, they want to drag, they raise their shoulders, they want to drag space with them. And that is why I'm against them. You see somebody that's Eze Igbo outside Igbo land coming to drag with the men Igbo leaders, that is the ones I'm against. But if this one is for, bring good things to us, if it's for a good reason, it's okay, can answer it. Now somebody replied, this person attacking Eze Igbo, he said, is answering Eze Igbo a problem for you? The matter here is not the Eze. It's about keeping a wanted man. Therefore, go and cure your mental first. Another reaction, somebody wrote, I got information that this guy is in Ghana, and in every rumors there will be truth on it. Forget about those who answered Eze Igbo outside there. They are for their own pocket. I once based in Ghana before, and upon what Ghanaians are doing to Nigerians there, what has he done? I was there when they are locking people's shop and taking them to prison, and he has done nothing. Forget about them, Jare. Then Ajibade Oshoala replied him. He said, what do you want him to do? You want him to protect you, criminal. You lived there before and come back to join ESN. I don't know why people will always attach ESN or IPOB to, you're supposed to concentrate on what is posing before you. Stop calling ESN on IPOB. I'm not trying to defend ESN or IPOB, but I think, I don't know why people are obsessed, especially people that are non-Igbos. It's more thing you mention ESN or IPOB. Are they your problem? Are we discussing them? Now, Rafi, who commented before the guy that replied, wrote, point of correction, as I'm chatting with you, I'm not in Nigeria, okay? And it's you that is criminal. That is why you support bad thing. That Ebubeagu Commander has caused a lot of damage in my village. Another comment by one Ngozi Ike, he said, he is Eze Igbo for the Igbos living in Ghana. It helps to bring Igbos together wherever they are. Very important. Okay, Ngozi is defending the Eze Igbo. Now this one by Oguerie Happiness. May God see you through this. Replying to the reaction to the Eze Igbo's comment. May God see you through. They will gather, but provided God is not there with them, they will scatter. Igbo onye ije jemba naanị gị ga-anọrọ. Igbo onye ije jemba naanị gị ga-anọrọ. The righteous God will vindicate you. And somebody replied, I don't believe in witch hunting and frivolous accusation. So those who are accusing this guy should be sure of what they are saying. If you are not sure, you keep short. If you are not sure he's harboring anybody, you don't make such allegations. It is very dangerous. There are so many people answering guests in this comments place. Comment on where we got this. This one wrote, please sir, keep your hands clean. If not all, your labor will vanish one day. If Amadio of Igbo land strike, if your hand is clean, you don't have to fear anything. Another one by another guest too, he wrote, this man is a great son of Igbo land. We have had so many things you did for Ndibo in Ghana, even for the stranded Ndibo in US and Italy. God will forever bless you for your good heart. Just ignore enemies. We have 2 more comments and we'll go. Ishe Daniel Mpa Dobi. He has a very good home training. He cannot involve himself with evil. He has the Igbo nation at heart. Okay, you seem to know him. This one, every matters, he wrote. His Highness, God will keep you clear conscience, fear no accusation. Well, Eze, once you are sure your hands are clean, you don't have to fear anything. Though nowadays, a lot of people are going down for what they don't know about. But we pray that if your hands are clean, may God protect you. And I pray that people who are innocent should not be fallen for something or be killed for something they don't know. That's our prayer. We are not in support of anybody. I used to believe that whatever a man sow, he will reap. If you sow good, you reap good. If you sow destruction, you reap destruction. And this is where we'll round up on this show. Add your comment, tell us what you think about our story. Una bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.